The human eye is incredibly complex, with millions of specialized cells called cones that detect color. While it can distinguish up to 10 million different hues, some people, particularly those with color blindness, may have difficulty differentiating between certain shades. This vast range of color detection is one of the reasons we experience the world so vibrantly, as the brain processes these colors into rich, detailed images. When people think of deserts, they often picture hot, sandy landscapes like the Sahara, but the technical definition of a desert is any region that receives less than 10 inches of rain per year. Antarctica qualifies because it's the coldest and driest place on Earth, with most of its water locked in ice. The Sahara comes in second in size but still gets more rainfall than Antarctica's frozen expanse. Honey has a near magical ability to resist spoilage due to its low moisture content and acidic pH, which creates an environment hostile to bacteria and microbes. The ancient Egyptians valued honey not just as a food but as a preservative and offering to the gods. The fact that it can last for millennia underscores honey's role as one of nature's most remarkable substances. Sloths are famous for their slow pace, and this extends to their digestive system as well. Their low-calorie diet, which primarily consists of leaves, is hard to break down, so they metabolize food slowly to conserve energy. This extended digestion period can take anywhere from a few days to over a month for just one meal, making sloths the ultimate survivalists in their tropical habitats. The human microbiome consists of trillions of bacteria, outnumbering our own cells by a significant margin. These microorganisms play a crucial role in digestion, immune system function, and even mood regulation. The gut, often referred to as the second brain, relies on these bacteria to break down food, produce vitamins, and protect against harmful pathogens. The blue whale, the largest animal to have ever lived, has a heart that can weigh over 1,300 pounds, about the size of a small car. This massive heart pumps 220 liters of blood with each beat, and when a blue whale surfaces, its heartbeat can be detected from miles away. Despite their size, blue whales are gentle giants, feeding mostly on tiny krill. On average, a person takes about 7,500 steps a day. If you maintain this average daily step count over a lifetime, you'll walk roughly 110,000 miles. That's equivalent to walking around the Earth's equator 5 times. This highlights just how much our feet work for us and why proper care of them is so important throughout life. Hummingbirds are remarkable for their ability to hover in midair and fly backward, something no other bird can do. Their wings beat incredibly fast, up to 80 times per second, allowing them to maneuver with precision. This is especially useful when feeding on nectar from flowers, as it enables them to extract food from hard-to-reach spots. Our sense of smell is strongly linked to memory and emotion, as the olfactory bulb in the brain is directly connected to the limbic system, which controls emotions and memories. This is why a familiar scent can instantly transport you back to a specific time or place, more vividly than other senses like sight or sound. Venus is one of the few planets in the solar system that rotates in a retrograde direction, meaning it spins the opposite way to Earth and most other planets. This slow, backward spin causes a Venusian day to last longer than its year. Scientists believe this unusual rotation may have been caused by a collision with another celestial body long ago. Sharks are ancient creatures, having roamed the oceans for over 400 million years. That's around 200 million years before the first dinosaurs appeared. Despite surviving multiple mass extinctions, sharks have remained relatively unchanged in their design, proving that their adaptations are highly effective for survival. The Earth's rotation is slowing down at a rate of about 1.7 milliseconds per century, mainly due to tidal friction caused by the Moon. This means that millions of years from now, days will be slightly longer. Over geological time, this gradual slowdown has lengthened Earth's days from about 21 hours to the 24 hours we experience today. Rainwater can collect certain elements from the air, including vitamin B12, which is produced by bacteria. While it's not a major source of the vitamin, this natural phenomenon highlights how nutrients cycle through the environment in unexpected ways. The average cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds. While clouds appear light and fluffy, they are actually made of tiny water droplets and ice crystals. A typical cumulus cloud contains millions of these droplets, adding up to an impressive amount of water, enough to weigh the equivalent of hundreds of elephants. The first computer virus was created in 1986. Known as the brain virus, it was created by two brothers in Pakistan to protect their medical software from being pirated. However, it ended up spreading globally and became the first example of a computer virus infecting systems outside of its origin. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. I post shorts every day and long-form videos once a week.